Hi guys, so welcome back to DIY with Eti. Today we are going to be making a barbecue stand. So this is the barbecue stand what we're going to be making. I know you guys cannot figure it out right now, so let me explain. This is the barbecue stove where all the coal goes and everything. I have a pre-built structure and this is the wood I got for the legs. I'm going to switch out the legs. This is a 2x2, 2 inch by 2 inch, and this is 3 feet height. I will put wheels on it. So this will be getting replaced. So I'm going to be removing this and putting this instead. As you see, there's a boxed area where this will go in. Okay. So right now the table is upside down because I need to put a base on it. Because the top is going to be cement, because I'm scared if this gets overheated it'll burn the table down. So the top is going to be cement on which this is going to be fit in and out, so I can fit it in and take it out. I'm going to remove the sides to according to this length, and let's get started on the work.
next day.
So this is what I have done till now. I filled it with concrete, fast setting concrete. So it's been around three hours because my phone is a slow charger. So it's 3 hours. It's set pretty good. It's still wet inside, so it's spread on the top. I've kept this tile right loose deliberately because then I can just remove it, wash it, put it back. I can keep whatever things I want to do while doing barbecue. Here I did not put concrete. Do you know why? Because I'm going to be drilling holes this side. These holes are act as an air vent to feed the fire. So if I had put concrete here, it would have stopped the airflow. So that's why I just put wood. There's a little bit of gap in between. So it's pretty much done. Looks ugly right now because see, there's no shelf, and once a stand gets a shelf, it looks better. So I'm going to be using, one second, I'm going to be using these. I think these are 1 by 3s or 1 by 4s. So I have around 4 of these. This is going to be the back and then the sides. It's going to be an open shelf. So let's get working on that. Hi guys, so 2 nights of work and it's done. So this is what I have made. As you can see, I didn't have time to paint it, and plus Eid is near. After Eid I'll paint it. I've made a nice shelf for easy access. That's why there's no door in it. I put a tile over here so I can put whatever, like oil or whatever I need over here. I might burn these for barbecue, I might not, depends. This is removable, so I can remove it and empty it. Right now it's stuck, it'll get loose by time. So pretty nice, pretty good. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you like the series. So if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, thumbs down. If it's thumbs up, I'll appreciate it. It'll help me in the algorithm. And do subscribe, share, and peace out.